How to fix Catmail Co is crashing on Steam. So first you want to go back to your library, right click on the game and open up the properties. In the launch options, you want to add -dx11, then go to installed files and verify the game files. Once this process is completed, you can close Steam. Then you want to open up your browser and navigate to this link, which is in the description below. And from the redistributable table, you will need to get the 86 installer and the 64 as well, both of them. Once you finish installing these, it will require a computer restart. So right after the restart, what you need to do as well is check if you have the latest GPU driver update. So if you're running an NVIDIA GPU, you can use the NVIDIA app to get the latest driver update. And you can also run AMD if you're running an AMD GPU. There is an AMD software for updates. And once you download and install the latest driver update, you can basically run the game, but you will need to right-click on Steam and run it as admin first, and then launch the game from your library. And this should solve the crash problem. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and see you on the next one.